Every time you embed a third-party widget, ad, or map in an iframe, you're potentially handing that content the keys to your page. The sandbox attribute is how you take them back. When you add the sandbox attribute to an iframe, the browser immediately drops that embedded content into a highly restricted execution environment. By default, with sandbox present and nothing else, the iframe can display content, but almost nothing else. It cannot run JavaScript, submit forms, open popups, or access cookies. It is treated as a completely separate origin from your page, even if it comes from the same domain. Think of it as a glass box. The content is visible, but it can't reach out and touch anything on your page. Here are the 4 big restrictions that Sandbox enforces out of the box. First, scripts are disabled. No JavaScript executes inside the iframe. Second, form submission is blocked. The iframe cannot post data anywhere. Third, pop-ups are prevented. It cannot open new windows or tabs. And fourth, the same origin policy is enforced as if the content came from a unique anonymous origin, so it cannot access your cookies, local storage, or DRM. Each of these cuts off a classic attack vector. Now sometimes you do need the iframe to do things, like run a code demo or submit a login form. That is where allow star tokens come in. You add them as a space-separated list inside the sandbox attribute value. For example, allow scripts lets JavaScript run. Allow forms permits form submission. Allow same origin restores normal origin behavior. And allow popups lets the iframe open new windows. The key principle is allow list by exception. Start lockdown and only grant exactly what you need. The practical security use case is isolating untrusted third-party content. When you embed an ad network, a user-generated widget, or any code you did not write, Sandbox ensures that even if that content is compromised, it cannot steal your users' data, hijack your page, or redirect them elsewhere. The Sandbox attribute locks down iframe permissions by default, and you use allow star tokens to surgically restore only the capabilities you trust. If you found this helpful, drop a like and follow for more interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.